When an interstellar object streaks into our solar system, astronomers drop everything to study it. These visitors from deep space carry secrets about distant regions of the galaxy, places we may never reach with our spacecraft. In recent years, we've seen a few of these cosmic wanderers, like the cigar-shaped Oumuamua in the Comet 2-1/Borisov. But now a new arrival, cataloged as 3I Atlas, has captured global attention, not just for its speed and size, but for its increasingly bizarre behavior. This mysterious traveler is defying expectations in ways that have left scientists puzzled, and as it approaches Mars this October, the questions surrounding it are multiplying. Could it truly be just an unusually large comet, or is it something far stranger? A record-breaking arrival. 3I Atlas entered our solar system moving at a breathtaking 61 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. That makes it the fastest natural object ever observed in the solar system. Its speed alone suggested that it originated from beyond our local cosmic neighborhood. Early observations showed characteristics similar to a comet: a nucleus shedding gas and dust, a glowing coma, and a growing tail as sunlight began to heat its surface. At first, it seemed like a familiar story, just another frozen traveler from the stars. But as scientists tracked it more closely, its features began to change in unexpected ways. A mysterious change of color. When it was first discovered, 3I Atlas glowed faintly red. Most comets we've seen within the solar system show consistent color signatures based on their chemical makeup. But in mid-2025, astronomers noticed something peculiar. The comet's reddish hue had shifted to a green glow. During a total lunar eclipse, comet hunter Michael Jerger and his team took advantage of the dark skies in Namibia to capture detailed images of 3I Atlas. What they saw astonished them. The coma, once reddish, was now a shimmering green, unlike any other interstellar object observed before. The change wasn't merely aesthetic. On August 25, 2025, the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope detected a sharp rise in cyanide gas emissions around the object. Cyanide can produce a green-blue glow under solar radiation, which may explain the color shift. But that wasn't the only oddity. Astronomers also detected nickel without iron, a combination almost never seen in naturally occurring comets. On Earth, such a ratio is typically produced through industrial processes, raising the question, could 3I Atlas be more than just a natural rock? The strange case of the antitail. If that weren't enough, a new observation on September 7, 2025 revealed something even stranger: an antitail. Normally, a comet's tail points away from the Sun as solar wind pushes dust and gas outward. But in this case, a glowing extension pointed toward the Sun. This wasn't an optical illusion. Instead, researchers believe it may be caused by larger chunks of ice breaking free from the comet's surface. Unlike lighter particles, these ice fragments are too heavy to be blown away by solar wind. Instead, they drift slowly, forming a strange glow that appears to stretch inward. While that explanation makes sense in theory, the fact remains: no other comet in our solar system has ever been documented with such a dramatic antitail. A question of size. The mystery deepened when scientists tried to measure its size. Early estimates placed 3I Atlas's nucleus between 3 and 10 kilometers in diameter, already comparable to the largest comets known. But newer calculations shocked researchers, suggesting it could be as wide as 46 kilometers across. If true, that would make it more than 1,000,000 times more massive than other interstellar objects we've previously studied. Such a giant comet wandering interstellar space is extremely unlikely. There simply isn't enough loose material between stars to form objects of this scale easily. The sheer size alone has led some scientists to speculate that 3I Atlas may not be entirely natural. Approaching Mars. On October 3, 2025, 3I Atlas will pass close to Mars. This flyby offers a unique opportunity to observe the object up close. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, equipped with its high-powered high-res camera, will attempt to capture images during the encounter. While the camera's resolution may only reveal features at a scale of about 30 kilometers per pixel, it could still confirm whether the object reflects light like a comet or produces light in unusual ways. Other spacecraft, such as NASA's Psyche mission and ESA's JUICE probe, may also be in a position to gather valuable data later in 2025. This could mark the first time humanity observes an interstellar object directly from another planet, opening a new chapter in astronomical exploration. A suspicious trajectory. Perhaps the most eyebrow-raising feature of 3I Atlas is its trajectory. Most interstellar visitors slice through the solar system at steep angles, crossing the plane of the planets in a one-time pass. But 3I Atlas is moving in a path almost perfectly aligned with the ecliptic plane, the same flat disk where the planets orbit the Sun. Its orbit is tilted by less than 5 degrees, which astronomers say has only a 1 in 500 chance of occurring by random chance. Even stranger, this path takes it past multiple planets, Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, in a sequence that looks eerily like a carefully planned route. This is precisely the kind of trajectory that human engineers designed for spacecraft to perform multiple planetary flybys. For some scientists, the resemblance is too close to ignore. Adding to the intrigue, when 3I Atlas makes its closest approach to the Sun, Earth will be on the exact opposite side, as far away as possible. Is this coincidence, or does it suggest deliberate avoidance? While no one is claiming evidence of alien engineering, the unusual path has left researchers cautious about ruling out extraordinary possibilities. Connections to the WOW signal. The object's origin adds another layer of intrigue. 3I Atlas appears to have come from the Sagittarius constellation, a region of the sky linked with mysterious radio signals. One of the most famous is the WOW signal of 1977. A powerful burst of radio energy detected by an Ohio telescope and never explained. The coincidence of 3I Atlas arriving from the same region has sparked speculation about whether there could be a connection. While most scientists remain skeptical, the overlap is difficult to dismiss outright. Billions of years in the making. Despite the tantalizing mysteries, many researchers still believe 3I Atlas is a natural comet, albeit an extraordinary one. If so, it could be older than our solar system itself, drifting through the galaxy for billions of years before crossing our path. During that vast journey, it may have passed through supernova remnants, nebulae, and interstellar clouds, collecting exotic materials along the way. This could explain its unusual chemistry and odd behavior. In a sense, it may be a time capsule of the galaxy's history, carrying ingredients from regions humanity has never explored. What comes next? As October approaches, all eyes are on Mars and the spacecraft poised to observe this interstellar traveler. If 3I Atlas behaves like a normal comet, it will continue past the Sun and out of the solar system, never to return. But if it changes course, releases fragments, or exhibits behavior inconsistent with natural objects, it could transform our understanding of what lies beyond. For now, it is both an astronomical puzzle and a scientific opportunity. Whether it turns out to be an oversized, chemically exotic comet or something far more unusual, one thing is certain. 3I Atlas has already challenged our assumptions and reminded us of how much we still have to learn about the universe. As scientists prepare for the upcoming Mars encounter, the world waits with bated breath. Will this interstellar visitor reveal its secrets or deepen the mystery?